Welcome to my nutshell video. For a more detailed look, have a watch of the full video by the same name. If you want to see how things really fit together, then click the link below and take a look at my much more in-depth Prolix Sage blog. A class is a set of self-contained code and variables that are the blueprint for an object. Classes have properties or variables that define information about objects that will be derived from the class. Classes also have methods which similarly hold the code that belongs with each of these objects. The variables and methods shown in red can be hidden away from code outside of the class. However, the variables and methods shown in green can be interacted with by the same external code. Restricting access to some of the properties and methods is called encapsulation and is covered in another video. When compiled, the compiler uses the instructions within the classes to build the equivalent objects. External code can then access the properties and methods shown in green. Each class can be used to create multiple objects. The objects operate exactly the same but within the boundaries of their own instances. For example, changing a variable value in one instance does not affect the same value in another instance. We will create a very simple class with its constructor. Then we'll create a private property shown in red earlier. Followed by a public property shown earlier in green. And then repeat for two simple methods. The constructor belongs to this class and so can access internal methods and properties. We then instantiate an object from the class. This external code can only access the external properties and methods. And that's a really quick overview of how to create a class and turn it into an object. We've also included references to encapsulation and inheritance. The full-length video of this nutshell contains much more detail and my associated blog even more. The blog is an in-depth journal discussing learning object programming from scratch. Well, that's this video done. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I hope it's been useful. If it has, then please like and subscribe below.